Tired of hunting for the font color button in Google Slides? In 30 seconds, you'll never waste time again. I know that feeling all too well. You have a slide that's almost perfect, but the text just needs a little pop of color. And then you scan the toolbar and nothing. It's hiding right in plain sight, but the clutter makes it invisible. I've put together a really simple, tested walkthrough that cuts through all that clutter. I'll show you exactly where to click, how to select your text, and pick the perfect color. Let's dive in. Now, the first thing you need to do is open your presentation in Google Slides. Just head over to slides.google.com and open up the file you're working on. This is your blank canvas, and our only job right now is to get it ready. So here's where most people start to fumble. You need to highlight the specific text you want to change. Don't just click on the text box. You have to actually select the words. Click right at the beginning of the sentence, hold down your mouse button, and drag across the text until it's all highlighted in blue. This tells Google Slides, hey, I want to work on this exact piece of text, not the whole box. If you skip this step, the color button won't do anything, and you'll think something's broken. Trust me, I've been there. All right, now for the part you've been waiting for. Look at the toolbar right above your slide. You're going to see a bunch of icons. There's the bold button, the italic button, and a few others. But the one you want is a little tricky. Look for an icon that looks like a capital letter A with a colored bar underneath it. That's the text color button. In most versions of Google Slides, it's usually sitting right next to the highlight tool. Just click that A once. Now, a drop-down menu will appear with a grid of colors. This is the fun part. You can choose one of the standard colors that Google gives you by default, or if you're feeling creative, you can click the little plus sign or the custom option down at the bottom to mix your own perfect shade. I love using the eyedropper tool if I'm trying to match a color from a logo or an image. It saves so much time. As soon as you click on a color, watch your text. It changes instantly. There is no loading bar, no waiting. It happens right before your eyes. That is the satisfying payoff. And here's the really important part. Once it changes, don't forget to click anywhere outside of that text box. Just click on an empty part of your slide. This deselects the text and locks in your change. If you don't do this, you might accidentally change the font again when you're just trying to move things around. And that's it. You have gone from frustrated and hunting through icons to a confident pro who can change font colors in just a couple of seconds. Next time you need to make a title pop or match your brand colors, you will know exactly where to look and exactly what to do. Thanks for sticking with me. Now go make those slides look amazing.